Food for inflamed gums. Nourish your way to better oral health. Inflamed gums, often characterized by redness, swelling, and bleeding, can indicate gingivitis or early-stage gum disease. While maintaining proper oral hygiene is crucial, your diet plays a significant role in managing and healing gum inflammation. Choosing the right foods can help soothe inflammation, combat bacteria, and promote healthier gums. Understanding gum inflammation. Gum inflammation occurs due to plaque and bacteria buildup around the gum line. It can lead to discomfort, sensitivity, and, if untreated, more severe periodontal issues. While brushing, flossing, and professional dental cleanings are essential, consuming anti-inflammatory and nutrient-rich foods can provide additional relief. Top foods for inflamed gums. Certain foods are particularly beneficial for reducing gum inflammation and promoting healing. Let's look at some of the best options. 1. Leafy greens. 1. Spinach, kale, and lettuce are packed with vitamins A and C, strengthening the immune system and reducing inflammation. 2. High fiber content encourages saliva production, which helps wash away harmful bacteria. 2. Fatty fish. 1. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are rich in omega-3 fatty acids with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. 2. Omega-3s can help reduce gum swelling and promote tissue repair. 3. Citrus fruits. 1. Oranges, grapefruits, and lemons provide a high dose of vitamin C, essential for healthy gums. 2. Vitamin C helps repair damaged gum tissue and boosts collagen production. 4. Dairy products. 1. Milk, cheese, and yogurt are rich in calcium and vitamin D, strengthening teeth and gums. 2. Probiotic yogurt can improve oral health by balancing the bacteria in your mouth. 5. Nuts and seeds. 1. Almonds, walnuts, and flax seeds are excellent healthy fats and vitamin E sources. 2. These nutrients combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the gums. 6. Green tea. 1. Rich in antioxidants like catechins, green tea reduces inflammation and inhibits bacterial growth. 2. Drinking unsweetened green tea regularly can soothe gum irritation. 7. Berries. 1. Blueberries, strawberries, and cranberries are loaded with antioxidants that fight gum inflammation. 2. These fruits can also prevent harmful bacteria from adhering to teeth and gums. 8. Garlic. 1. Garlic has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. 2. Adding raw or cooked garlic to meals can help reduce bacterial buildup and inflammation. 9. Crunchy vegetables. 1. Carrots, celery, and cucumbers help clean teeth and massage gums as you chew. 2. They also stimulate saliva production, which is essential for oral hygiene. 10. Turmeric. 1. This golden spice is known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. 2. Turmeric can be added to food or used as a paste for a natural gum treatment. Foods to avoid. While some foods help reduce inflammation, others can worsen the condition. Avoid these foods to prevent further irritation. 1. Sugary snacks and drinks encourage bacterial growth and plaque buildup. 2. Acidic foods, tomatoes and vinegar-based products can irritate inflamed gums. 3. Hard or crunchy snacks, chips and crackers can scrape or damage sensitive gum tissue. 4. Alcohol dries out the mouth, reducing the protective effects of saliva. Conclusion: inflamed gums can be uncomfortable, but with the proper diet and oral care, you can manage and improve your gum health. Foods like leafy greens, fatty fish, citrus fruits, and green tea provide essential nutrients and anti-inflammatory properties that soothe and heal inflamed gums.